Hey, welcome to my channel. It's Jess Travels. In today's video, I'm going to let you know how you can make an extra income as a teacher abroad. Okay, so you guys know that now I live in Spain, and this kind of tailors to any foreign teacher, whether you're in Spain, Asia, South America. These different side hustles or side jobs are suitable for any location. First is private lessons. Private lessons are great because you can set your own rates. It's usually a one-on-one lesson and you're able to have the freedom to create or tailor your own lessons. Or you can use the students' books, see what they're learning, and kind of use that to prepare your materials. Private lessons are common whether you're in Spain, China, Korea, wherever you are. There are students who want extra lessons outside of school and they'll pay you by the hour. How do you find these private lessons? One way is through networking, whether you're talking to your friends, word of mouth, people in your apartment complex, students at your school. These are different ways that you can communicate with others and try to find these private lessons. One way to find these private lessons are through group chats, whether it's WeChat, whether it's a Facebook group for the city that you live in. These are just two options on how you can find private lessons outside of your personal networking. Another way to make extra income is through teaching online. There are many companies where you can work from home and teach English online as a second language. Two of the common websites I've heard of are Cambly and Preply. Now, the pay might not be super high, but the benefits is that you're working from home. You don't have to leave your house. You don't have to commute to a student's house to give private lessons. You can do it at your own schedule, your own flexibility. One negative about online tutoring is that the salary might be less than private tutoring. When you're tutoring privately, you can charge anywhere from 15 euros plus. And if you're in Asia, you probably make double, honestly, of that giving private lessons. But the biggest benefit from online teaching is that you're working from home. You can also work remotely. So if you're on vacation, you can take your laptop, teach online, earn that extra income. There's a lot of flexibility so you can work when you want and how much you want. Another way to earn extra income is to work at an academy. If you're working at a school, you're probably working daytime hours, anywhere from like 8 to 3, 8 to 4, 8 to 5 kind of schedule. So in the evenings, the students might go to an academy to take extra lessons. Academies are open in the afternoons, depending on the country. They might be also available on the weekends. So it's a great way for you to make extra income. And there are academies open that you can work for in Spain and China. I'm saying Spain and China because I've lived and worked in both, so I know that that is an option in both countries. The last option I have for you is through gigs. So it can be babysitting, there might be a concert and they need people to help set up. You could probably, do that as well. So these gigs you could probably find in group chats or posts. I know it's pretty common to do like babysitting in Spain on the weekends. So you could probably find that here. That's all I have for you today. I hope you learned something new. If you have any questions about making extra income while living abroad, leave a comment down below and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.